Alright guys, looking to do full replacements. A couple unique pieces about this one. I'll try to point them out here in the video, then I'll have it all detailed on the checklist. Furnace is a Rheem, AC coil, condenser is a Bryant unit, B-width on both the coil and the furnace. It's actually only 34 inches tall on the furnace as well. Just past the coil, the original plenum is actually C-width. It's 21 inches, which it looks like maybe there was a humidifier on the front of it at some point. That looks like it's all been patched, been blocked off on this side here. Probably will be coming back in with B-width. It's only servicing second floor, so we're probably looking at 60,000 BTUs, 80,000 at the most, 2.5 tons. So we'll stick with B-width. So I'm not sure how you'd like to adjust the plenum here, but just note it's at 21 inches right there. The return, there's a 1-inch filter in there right now. This is kind of the best angle. So at the bottom there, the boot is 24 inches wide. It is 7 inches deep. From the floor to that first seam, it's about 2 foot, a little over 2 foot at 25 inches. And then it angles down into a smaller return up here. The width is 12 inches. So it goes from 24 to 12. I'm not sure how you want to tackle this. My guess would be, let's just take it apart at the seam right here, which is 65 inches from that seam to the floor. Just come back in with like an 8x26. Just tap that in and have the full width all the way down to 26. We don't have, well, I guess if we move the furnace to the left a little bit, we could potentially get the April air box in there. We've only got 2 inches right now. We'd have to pick up another 3 at minimum, which we could get by scooting this over. But then you're running into the gas line, so we'll take a look at that. We may have to throw a canvas sleeve on there. Condensate pump is actually, looks like it's hardwired into the board of this furnace. So let's go ahead and pull the condensate pump, bring a new one out, bring new drain lines from the working AC. Only new drain lines obviously to the coil. Tie all that in there. It's currently running overhead, dropping into this, I guess it's black pipe over here. Yeah. And then the line set is going in the corner. The unit's sitting just outside there. The line set is sized appropriately. It's on R22, just need to flush it. Check, make sure it's holding pressure. If it's not, I'd say it's about a 25 to 30 foot run that you'll need. The flue is 3 inch. It's tying into a 5 inch here, and then all the way out into an 8 inch T. Probably you need to go ahead and replace most of this up to the T. We'll come in with a 5 inch, or excuse me, a 4 inch, and then a 5 to 4 reducer right here. And then gas lines are going to need to be worked on a little bit, new shut-offs, electrical. It's dropping down right here.